Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to deposit money into Wealthfront. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for making investing straightforward and stress-free. Wealthfront is an awesome automated investment platform that helps you grow your money with minimal effort, and getting your funds in is the first step to building that wealth. So, let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to have a Wealthfront account set up. If you don't, head over to their website and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, look for the dashboard. It's usually the main page you land on after signing in. Here, you'll see an overview of your accounts and investments. Now, to deposit money, click on the Add Funds or Deposit button. It's often right there on the dashboard, maybe in a prominent spot like the top menu. Wealthfront makes this easy with a few options. You can link your bank account for a direct transfer, use a debit card, or even set up automatic deposits. I recommend linking your bank for security and lower fees. Let's say you choose the bank transfer method. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to deposit. Double-check that number because accuracy is key. Then, select your linked bank account and confirm the details. Wealthfront uses secure connections, so your info stays safe. After you hit Submit, the funds might take a day or two to process, depending on your bank. A quick tip: make sure you meet any minimum deposit requirements. It's usually around $500 for some accounts, but check yours. Also, if you're depositing a large amount, verify if there are any limits or taxes to consider. This way, you avoid any surprises. Once your money is in, Wealthfront's algorithms will get to work, investing it based on your goals. Pretty cool, right? If you run into any issues, Wealthfront has great customer support. Reach out via their app or website. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and hit that bell icon. What's your next step with Wealthfront? Drop it in the comments below. See you in the next video. Stay savvy.